Hi guys, we are at the YouTube channel which is called Relay Protection Zone, and we are watching my playlist about electricity, energy and relay protection devices. And today I have decided that I must make this video in English language because of this event. Making English video must be improve my conversation and speaking skills. And today I'm going to tell you about one of things which was made Weidmuller company. We should know this company will help my previous review about some tools from Weidmuller. If you want to see this video, you should click on this link. And today I'm going to tell you about terminal block. This terminal block actually must be used for current circuit and voltage circuit. And this terminal block has some peculiarities and can be used in these circuits as well. Let's do it now. I've put my phone forward to me, and this position will be more comfortable for showing for you this terminal block. And so this terminal block consists of two parts. First part consists for current circuits, and second part, this one part, has purpose for use in voltage circuit. Let's observe these terminals separately. Separate for current circuits and separate for voltage circuit. And so, what else? These terminals can be supplied this marks block, this one and this one, for is named terminal row. And one more thing, it is cover, right cover, and one more cover which you can use for separate both terminal row. And let's see on these terminals for current circuit. These terminals supplied socket, this different color socket for plug testing devices for this. If we tell about current circuits, we can provide works for getting volt-ampere characteristics for a current transformer, and it is a very useful part of these terminals. Wires in this terminal you can fix with help of this flathead screwdriver and this one type. One more peculiarity, it is we have ability to connect or disconnect these terminals with separately per phase A, phase B and phase C. And these terminals have such protrusion part. These protrusion parts have a purpose to fix these switches in close position. It is a very good decision. And the most important things for current circuits, it is our current circuits must be close, must be connected to measurement devices, relay protection devices or another devices, our current circuits can be exist in a disconnect condition, and these terminals have a very strong, very important peculiarity. We can disconnect our current circuits simultaneously with their connection with each other and on the Earth. It is a very beautiful peculiarities and properties this terminal block. I have to use my multimeter in a wire testing mode. Our multimeter is working. It is very great. Look at this. When our terminal is close position, we have circuit. This one, and we have a circuit between this terminal, and this terminal. And just imagine we have current transformer and their second winding, second coils, which is connecting to this terminal. C1, C2 for current transformer phase A, C1, C2 for current circuit phase B and C. In these terminals, we have is connected our relay protection devices or our measurement devices, and we need to remove or repair our measurement devices or relay protection devices, and we have to disconnect these terminal blocks. For this terminal have one strong peculiarity. When I will disconnect this terminal, in those middle position, our terminals will be connected like this, connected and connected, and simultaneously these two parts will be exist in connect position, and this connect position must be right for our second coil, our current transformer. We can fully open these terminals, and our main circuit will be open, this one and this one, and of course these two terminals, C1 and C2, will be close between each other, and you can disconnect this wire from our protection devices or measurement devices, and we can repair these, and we can replace these devices. For example, it is a very strong ability, these terminal blocks. It's like to me, of course. And next question, which you can ask me, how we can get volt-ampere characteristic from secondary winding this if we have a close position this coil, our current transformer. Don't worry, Weidmuller company has provided that for this kind of work. We should put out this handle like this. Handle move to up position. In this case, we can switch on or switch off these terminals separately, compare with each other, yeah. And in this position, open position between this terminal. I will show you that. I will apply my multimeter in test wiring mode. Look at this. In this position, close position and this open position, we have open position between these terminals. It is very comfortable and useful property, this terminal block. We can provide all list or order list our works with secondary winding of current transformer with help this terminal block. One more thing which you will know widely: secondary coil of current transformer must be close, must be connected with earth, and must be connected their unpolarity endings. For solving this task, we have this loop. This loop we can remove from this row of terminal blocks. I will show you that we can do this. We should apply a flathead screwdriver like this for out of process this loop. This loop is looking like this, and we can reswitch this loop like this for this type of connection or secondary type connection. In this case, we can connect with each other C2, C2 and C2 terminals. And in case this connection, we can connect with each other C1, C1 and C1 terminal blocks. It is very useful, it is very comfortable for connecting different terminals with each other. I am going to show you this. In this case, I'm applying this loop in this socket, and we have connected C1, C1, all C1 terminals is connected with each other in one point without C2 terminals. In next case, I have to pull out this loop from their socket with help this flathead screwdriver, and I will move this loop in this position, and we will check connection with between these terminals. C1, C2 and C2 between C2, C2 and C2 is connected between each other. And next task, our secondary coil, our secondary circuit from current transformer must be connected with earth. This terminal, yellow-green color, has purpose for solving this task. If we install this terminal from the side C1 terminal, and if we install this loop, all C1 terminals will be connected with the earth terminal. If we remove these yellow-green terminals to another side from the side C2 terminal, all of the C2 terminals will be connected with earth. In condition, install this loop between C2 terminals. I will show you how we can do that. This terminal has a metal part, this one part, which is connected with current part of this terminal, and with help this peculiarity, this terminal can be used for grounding any circuits in our electrical equipment. If we install this yellow-green terminal to the side near with C2 terminal, and if we install this loop between C2 terminal and PE terminal, we can ground it our C2 terminals. It is very comfortable and very fast for solving this problem. Now I will show you that. We can see that C2 terminals have a connection with PE terminal. And let's review second part of this terminal block. It is a part for connection voltage circuits. This part has the same socket for connection testing equipment, and terminal can be switch off and switch on for disconnect these circuits. Now we have a disconnect position, open position these terminals. Like this, I can connect this terminals with each other. Voltage circuits have a peculiarity that we having to connect between each other L1, L2, L3 and N. Because of voltage transformer or potential transformer is working idling type of their work. We must only disconnect or connect these circuits at all. And I want to tell you about these protrusion parts. The same parts has this part of terminal blocks for fixation this handle in connection position, this terminal. There is a very interesting and useful terminal block which was made Weidmuller company, of course. I've decided that this terminal block must be applied in each MV panel, maybe in low panel, of course, as well. So guys, it was my first English language video for you and for my YouTube channel about interesting terminal blocks. And I hope that this video can improve my conversation and speaking English skills. It is very important for me. Please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, on my Telegram channel, and you can purchase my relay protection courses on boosty.to. Thank you so much for watching me, for following me in my social media. Please don't switch on different TV shows, and please watch me at my YouTube channel. See you on the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Yo, boiling point hot, man.